Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 552 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this product right here. This is from the Color Workshop. It's Spring On Blush. So I found this at the Dollar Tree. So this was only $1 and this was a new brand to my Dollar Tree. I tried out the lipsticks from this brand and I was not super impressed, but hopefully this blush will be better. I definitely think that blush is a product that you can get really good versions of. Like, you can get really great blushes for $1, and a lot of the blushes I use are super inexpensive. They're either $1 or drugstore. One of my favorites that I use every day is actually from the brand LA Girl, and that's a super affordable brand. But so anyways, this one here, of course, these don't even have shades on them, but my dollar store did have a few different colors. This one looks really pretty, like a bright pink peachy shade. It does say that it's not tested on animals. So let's check it out. So it's kind of small. The packaging on this is definitely like some cheap plastic packaging. Looks like it has some shimmer to it, so I'm gonna just swatch it. Not a bad texture, kind of velvety. So there it is. Oh, that's actually nice pigment for a blush. And that shimmer in it gives it some really nice reflective shine. Ooh, I really like this from the swatch so far. That's really pretty. Okay, great. Let's see how it looks on my face. So I'm just gonna take my blush brush here. And whenever I try out blushes, I tend to apply way too much when I'm first trying them out. So I'm gonna try and go in with a light hand. I'm like, I don't even know if I picked any up, but let me just start out like this. Okay, I definitely did pick up some product because there's some showing on my skin, but I think I feel comfortable to pick up a bit more. It's interesting, there's absolutely no kickback, which makes me feel like it's a very hard powder formula. This is applying beautifully. And it's not super pigmented, which I almost prefer for a blush because I don't have to worry about picking up too much. It's blending out really nicely and evenly on the skin. Look at that. That's a gorgeous blush. It looks so good on the skin. Even though it has shimmer, it doesn't look sparkly, but it does look a bit glowy. Oh my gosh. And I like this color. So I wasn't sure if this would be too bright pink, but on my cheeks, I think it looks really pretty. It looks natural, it looks healthy, it looks sun-kissed. Okay, I'm really happy with this. I like the blush from this brand so much more than the lipsticks. So I'm glad that this whole brand is not a bust. So this is very exciting for me. Like, this could absolutely be an everyday blush. This might just become my everyday blush because I am loving how this looks. It doesn't look like there's powder on my face. Doesn't look like there is sparkle. It just looks so healthy. I feel like this just transformed my face, where I just kind of looked like I was all one color and I just looked a little bit dull, and now I have that life back into my skin from a $1 product. Like, looking at this blush on my skin right now, this looks like it could be a high-end blush. So if you're looking for a new blush, I would say try this one out. For $1, I am so happy with this. And I'm honestly surprised. I kind of went into this feeling a little bit apprehensive about this brand, but now this just makes me want to try out even more from this brand. I'm pretty sure I picked up at least an eyeshadow when I was at the Dollar Tree recently. But let me know in the comments down below what products you've tried out from this brand, The Color Workshop, and what your favorites are. So far, obviously my favorite is definitely the blush. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.